Alright, what's up guys? We're here with Brian. We're gonna do his wing today. This is not an install video by any means. This is just us putting the wing in the car. Here's the car. I have a 435 M4 red interior. And we're gonna be putting the lip in here. Go ahead Brian, show us what you got. Hey, come over here boy! Who is stealing? Open it. The people want to see.
Where's the money?
You're supposed to do that in the editing. Whoa! Carbon fiber! Damn! How boom! Came with a little bit of 3M tape. Probably won't use it, but okay.
Yo, it says 3M, pero mira, dice Scotch. It's not real 3M.
Oh, it's not real 3M. I'd say, I'd say we're gonna return it now.
Scotch.
Alright, let's put it in the car. Let's see how it looks. Test fitting. Dun dun dun.
So, quick look.
Quick. See how it looks from the top. Ooh, look at that booty, boy. A big old booty. Looks sick. Right? Hands on.
Can you sing on YouTube or can you not sing on YouTube? You get copyrighted if you sing?
I don't know.
Booty.
Yeah. I have to search on that. Because you can have a music, but you can sing.
We'll just have to get it.
The mechanic, the tools are really using.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, to install this wing, you have to take off the old one.
Wait.
If you have one.
We didn't do that because this car it is
It had one, it's just you didn't saw it, right?
If you had to take it off, you're gonna need one of these and one of these.
Yep. Don't laugh. What are you laughing about, nigga? You don't know shit about this.
This part is just so that it doesn't make up like the dust doesn't move.
Yeah. So you don't get your car all dirty, you know? Yeah. That's science. It's been proven.
You might. Some people like to use HDMI cord and you right off.
Yeah.
I personally like the drill and the
Oh, it's really good. It's faster, way faster.
the tip of the
If it's dirty, even better. If it's dirty, it's even better. Yeah.
Now we already did that, or we didn't do it because we didn't have one. But let's just say we did. So to install it, you're gonna need this.
Wait, don't show the brand, bro.
Yeah, you're gonna need
show the brand.
mystery liquid. This amount. You're gonna have to use the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing.
Okay, to clean
Everything.
the whole back of
The whole back of the car.
Okay.
Not
Because
every
if
single
it's
piece.
not clean, it won't stick. Okay.
Yep.
Just like your shit.
Oh. Yeah.
So
Tell
you're
it,
gonna
tell
need
it.
one of these and one of these mystery pads.
Wait, show the back, not the front.
No, the
Ah, show the back. Oh, you're not allowed to see that. God damn it.
We'll just blur that out. So you're gonna need these things to clean the car so you get good stick. What is it?
Yo, we need this. How are you gonna forget about
Oh
it?
yeah, you're gonna need the motor mount from a different car. I don't know.
So you're gonna need a motor mount of that's a stock motor mount of a 2016 STI.
There you go.
If you don't use that, then you're
make
fucked.
sure it says
Subaru. If it doesn't say, hold on, I can read it.
Focus.
There you go.
Okay,
Somehow, okay, you saw it. If you didn't see it, I assume that you did. So,
just pretend you.
alright. So now let's get into it.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna clean the car real good. Can't wait till it's like all done.
So now we do the alcohol.
Ooh, smells good. So we're using a rubbing alcohol to get all the shit out of the car so it actually sticks. So the last thing you want in the car is to put the damn wing and then you're going 100 miles an hour. Sorry, 45 miles an hour, and the damn thing falls off.
You don't want to be in Mexico and drop it. It's a long drive back.
Yeah, it's a long, yeah. Plus, if you drop it, it's a good chance that you're not gonna pick it up. And if you do drop it, don't pick it up. Just keep going.
Yeah.
Don't stop. Fuck that shit.
It's a littering charge if you try to pick it back up. Dead nuts. You don't want any live nuts. Dead nuts.
Explain what you're doing with the Bluetooth.
So with the painter tape, you get it exactly where you want it. And then you tape the car and the wing together.
Concentration level is like amazing.
You only get one try.
You don't want it to move when you're taping it, because then you can fuck up. This is the way that I've always done it. You just tape it, and you go like this. Now you gotta put it exactly where you wanted it the first time before I taped it.
Yeah, what the fuck? This nigga's moving it
What
again.
the fuck? You said it was
You
right there.
dumb motherfucker.
No, hold on, let me take off the tape.
Yeah, you have to take it off the tape. It's not.
It wasn't straight.
Oh my god. Okay, put it straight,
line.
man.
Put it exactly how you want it.
Oh, here, I'll hold it. Alright, make sure that's where you want it, you dumb. Good? Alright, look at it before you lift it. That's good, right? Am I good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
It's a step. Just to clean it with alcohol. Just to make sure it's 100% clean.
This gets all the dirt and the grease in your fingers right off.
Yep, that's what not to do.
Iconic though.
Really opens and it falls.
You don't want to do that.
Pink. Ah, you guys see it?
Yes.
Wow, unprepared.
I mean, you could just rip it. Yeah.
Yo, we have
The cleaner cut. Yeah, not rip it. I have to move.
What did you say to me?
It's better when you snip it, not rip it. You guys can hammer. That means when I see it. As you go.
You should have left a little bit of space to put one in the corner.
I heard there's no going back now.
No, too late.